Assistant Inspector General AIG Barim ketanat pulet uba GK yang rai haka kendai tarik urisau arhaja arpusau haba kran sikilat pathai khubor din kejingwan jubab hajar hakmat ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission ulaong bau hab ban Ïakhun bat ki Briew ki badan bor ki ba umpat kwa ban sei madan yaki kerteng jongki uba yang rai kumban sukudau ulam mudoi sya ka commission bakal dan ke jingpen Kenya ka hok long Briew man Briew jong u min bau dang dan ha ke jing toket ki pulet kata ha usnam arhaja arpulai bat mat ke jing Shah ban Beiñ uba yang rai ula Shah kam hak ar tarik unai wing arhaja arpuar halor ke jing kenno pedan kam Baklaya ka Pyrshah ka badai bat ki jing shna ya ki jing dan kam jong ke NERS PSAP hasadar police station complex bat ke jing pen poi marba ya ki baula yo jamin hauram phang jong snam arhaja arpulai da ka pen pau ba ki dan bun ki ba un sa sei madan anda ka por ka labiang bah uniu he pulit Barim ulaong bahadu menta ka dan bait ka jing pendek henrai salia wat laki dei ki Briew ki badan ha ka bor makna
dan haji police custody where there has been human rights violation by the police during the when I was in police custody in Sadar by the Meghalaya police team. That's what. And today case is adjourned. So next hearing will be in November. Ngala file kan ni nado arhaja alpulai nado por bangadang he po judicial custody na lingba ke prison authorities kado ko por. So it's 2023 kado arhaja alpulai.
Tikano sil lawan ban Shah.
La bunsen. So it's in still progress. See, just wait for the right time and right timing. Everything will be disclosed to you. So let's keep your finger crossed. So there are many things more which will come, and I'll be sharing with you. Just for the right time and right forum, then you'll come to know. There are. So, but I will not be able to share details. So that's one. But then, I'm least watered. I'm not scared of anything. Because I believe in one is God. He's there. He'll take care of me, and no one can do anything without His wish. So that's the only thing.
Harassment example
I will not be able to share. That's what it's only at a proper forum will I be able to share to you, because I don't believe in mudslinging people. It will be with proof only. And then you've already seen I have started just one very small one. The bigger ones to come. And so just wait and watch the time, so that I'll be able to share with you in a concrete manner. I just don't want to, make wild allegations. So it'll be concrete one. There are lots which I've already guarded through the medium of RTI. When right from the day which I done judicial custody, 103 days judicial custody. That was the starting of all those RTI. Which I've sought attend from various departments, which I'll be able to come up, with proper. I'll take legal recourse to those in due course of time. It takes some time because I'm alone, so fighting with big giants is difficult. And then monetary also you need a lot of money. So I'm still strong, so I'll be fighting back for everything. It's still under investigation with the police, which I've already shared that is the vehicle one. And there will be more other related things which will come, and then that will be one at a time.
FIR yung BG Barim day. Halot kilo gibenta.
Hilai kadur ki ba Phla AIG. But more proof you need to know. Di habaki hakatuka por kabaki keno bang penangkam bakla jadi kali yang bang penangkam fake number. Tu fake number hindi kali jonga. Katuka kali jadi kali requisition na Assam kabana Assam ke requisition maki. And then kipendai dekan number ba allotted number kata ngayok through the medium RTI kabiningkong when ngapani katuka even just a journey to that also kalau let me explain what bang hasidangnya to kayo. I went for the RTI to the department concerned. I never got the reply. I have to go through appeals till the stage when I reached the Chief Information Commissioner. There I was able, under the order of the Honorable Commission, I was able to get the information which was denied to me. And that is, and nakataw sa ikidang bun ki banganang yale, ki banang ya, ki bangan habang yo, but ki bangalayo ki don. bangan nang haban ya kun biang ban yo ru bagi mai gitu bagi conceal, and they take the famous exemption section 8 exemption clause bagi peran man nakapor ki department. So this is the one, so you'll be getting more from this.
Kamu biong mo pihap Ïakhun ki jayan ne kungki kita.
See, I cannot tell you as of now, but powerful people in the system.
Bam bangi bam duna ki eki batai kamet namar kata habat thiru atau khau kam lo ka umpnyang ka dot pet ya ka sharp plus f ha ka jingsom yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.